Taking shelter, attempting to cook my burger under that lid. Hopefully you guys can hear the thunder.
You know, for a turtle, you move quite fast.
Tucker, we just get you on camera taking a poop?
Hey, oh yeah, turn that off. Hi. Tell them what we're doing, babe.
Going on a 2-night camping trip next to a river. So hopefully we can get some fishing in. It's not just us two. There's a third along. Not that he's going to want to be on camera. Going to be a warm one tomorrow. Hopefully no rain tomorrow, but probably rain when we're packing up. So
Yeah.
going to do our best to keep bugs away.
Yeah, we're doing something we've never done before to ward off the mosquitoes. We bought some all-natural, like, insect repellent fogger stuff to spray around our campsite. So hopefully that'll help with the mosquito population. At least in our general vicinity.
Right? Just a little bit. Just a little to help us.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess we'll see you when we get there.
Yeah, got a little over 10 minutes before we get to the spot, so we will see you soon.
Here we are. We are all set up. 15-20 minutes later, after spraying down ourselves and the campsite. Currently no one else here, which is amazing, but it is beautiful. You can see all the way around behind us. You see the truck, Nathan and Kate in the background, and then just back there is the stream. But here's a truck, got the road coming in, Nathan's hammock.
Oh, this feels nice.
Figured it would.
Oh, geez, what is that? Oh, a tree.
Yep, tree, be careful.
My Crocs look orange. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to a rock.
Probably not. It's probably going to get deeper than waist before you get to a rock.
Think?
Probably. Should have brought my sunglasses so I could see in the water.
Something's nibbling at mine.
Oh, that's good.
I wish I had my sunglasses so I could see it.
That's exactly what I just said too.
Oh my God!
Almost get one?
Yeah. It like jumped out of the water.
No microphone again. Got my waders on. Time to hook you guys up and get in the water. All right, let's see where I can get in. Heavy breathing. Ooh, look at this. Let me tell you, this water is dark.
I'm just trying to get out of your way here, sorry. I know, I'm with you. Going upriver is not easy.
I'm about 25-30 yards from your mom. I keep getting a nibble over this one rock, but I don't want to get any closer.
I keep hooking trees underwater, not above water.
Oh. Damn it. Oh, motherfucker. Well, crisis averted. Almost lost a lure. Nathan caught a fish. Hopefully we can figure out what he caught earlier. Whew. It's toasty outside. Look at 81 degrees, not to mention insulated waders. So, it's hot. I'm sweating, but we need a fire going for tonight. So, we got one started. And I don't know, I guess we'll see what we're doing in a little bit.
I said, do you have a camp kitchen knife?
Yep.
What are we having for supper tonight?
Chicken Alfredo calzones.
Gonna cook it in the fire pit.
Yep.
Gotta move some coals around and throw the cast iron in there and hope for the best. Looks a little sticky.
It is a little sticky. Oh God, yeah. I just wanted to like
Get it equal.
Yeah. What do you think? On the tailgate, probably?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, well, okay.
It's stuck now.
Yep. Okay.
Grab the Alfredo out now too.
Oh, yeah. I'll start flattening these out. Oh, man. It's so sticky. Should I, like, oil my hands?
Maybe. Wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, there we go. That definitely helped. You think? Is that cool?
I think that works.
All right. I need to grab the garlic salt.
Yep.
Do you want this sprinkled on the outside of them or on the inside of them?
I was thinking outside.
Okay.
Oh.
What'd you do? Oh, shit.
Is that enough chicken, you think?
Yeah.
So I think it's going to come up off the tailgate just fine.
I think so.
So pretty.
Thank you.
Should have brought some extra containers along because we have extra chicken. Yeah, grab the...
Yeah. Oh, dang it.
Wrong way.
Go, right? Make them look like a little pretzel.
Mm-hmm.
There. Little garlic salt and parsley flakes for color. They look beautiful.
Yes, they do.
Okay.
Yeah, there's not many places you can get to camp where the water is within spitting distance almost.
Now, what do you think? Do you want me to spread the coals out so we put it where it's hot? Or do you want me to leave the coals there and we put it off to like the side? Like, or move that piece of wood and lay them directly on the coals?
You mean lay the cast iron?
Yeah. Or is that gonna be too hot?
Maybe like it might be too hot. I think
So
we should
spread them out?
I think spread the wood around to the outside.
Okay. Oh, my eyeballs. Okay. Sorry, Nathan. My bad, brother.
I knew it was going to happen when I sat down.
Well, it's like earlier it was coming my direction, but
And then sit it right in the middle there. Have that stuff around it.
That's kind of what I'm thinking.
Okay.
We got to take the leather handle off the cast iron.
I know.
Okay.
Should I let the paper burn off in the fire?
Sure. That's smart. Give it, what, 6-7 minutes and we'll see where we're at.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah?
Sure.
Should I put wood on top of it? It's burning?
I think we might just have
Cook
to,
from the top?
if you want to, sure.
Sorry. It's just hot. It's fine. There we go. Let's see what happens.
Experience.
Not even almost.
Nope. All right.
Let me see how the... Yeah, not even almost.
All right.
Good God. Ready?
Still got
Ah,
time.
shit. That's really hot. Okay, cool. Well, good. Try it. The fire's out though.
Just throw that little burning nugget on there.
Yeah, that's the plan. Just gonna...
Maybe grab the, grab tongs.
It went out.
Well,
Since it's surrounded by smoke.
no.
Thanks, babe.
You're blowing in my face.
It's about to go. Just needs a little oxygen. No, there it goes.
All right. Start a new timer.
Yeah. Finger.
Burnt finger. Through leather glove.
Yeah.
I don't know, the inside of mine's hot.
I didn't say it wasn't hot. I just said it's not cooked all the way through.
Cute little butt cheeks. And burnt glove. So, yeah, it's a little bit of pain, but
More than a little bit, but whatever.
it's food.
Owie. Please don't get stuck on anything.
I'll try not to.
Be comfortable.
What about me? Can I get stuck?
No.
Well, it's about time for bed. Nathan is in his hammock. It is sometime after 9 o'clock.
Close to 10.
And
No,
no?
9:15.
Okay, so we're just old.
Yeah.
Cooled down kind of nicely. Almost. It's probably in the mid 70s outside.
Yeah.
Fire's dying, fireflies are out, and there's no one else here. It's probably been 15 minutes since somebody drove by on the road, so
It's nice and peaceful and quiet.
yes, it is.
Nathan caught 2 fish. I caught 1 fish.
Got 0.
Chris got goose egg. So, good day.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow should be awesome.
Yeah. Even if we don't go anywhere, it's just enjoyable sitting around camp. It's quiet, it's peaceful.
Yeah. The water's nice and cool. It's nice.
Mm-hmm. You got anything else?
No, I'm tired.
Yeah. Yeah, don't even think we're going to bother watching anything tonight. I think it's just going to be a...
Go to sleep.
Yep, I think I'm going to watch what's left of the light through the tree line out that way. And hopefully nothing tries to get into the cooler.
Yeah, that would be unfortunate.
I mean, if we have to chase a bear or raccoon away, that's fine. But I also have the DeVos light set up with the motion sensor on. So if something does wander through, I will definitely wake up because that's bright and shining in my window.
Yep. Yeah, we have both wings open on both sides. Chris's is wide open with no blanket. We have the blanket in front of the cab, and then we have curtains I'm gonna mess with and
Potentially get curtain rods for.
potentially get curtain rods for. But for now, they're up by magnets, but it's really dark, so it's nice. So I should not get too cold tonight. I have a fuzzy blanket. Chris has a cooling blanket, so this side is like nice and cold to the touch, and then this side's nice and soft, so we should sleep well tonight.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Looking forward to a relaxing morning and some more fishing tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good night.
See you in the morning.
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 I don't know. I wouldn't say it's bright and early, but just after 7. Time to get up, start the day, get some coffee going.
Yep. Daily vitamins.
See what happens before we get some weather today. Looks like we might get some storms. Hopefully go for a little walk, get some fishing in, make some breakfast in a little bit.
Brunch.
Otherwise, it's nice and cool this morning. Temperatures are not going to get nearly as hot as expected, so
Yeah.
good.
I'm thankful for.
Definitely.
All right, guys, good morning. So the weather changed today and we're gonna get some rain. So we set up another rain fly and we're going to move our table to under the rain fly in a little bit. Nathan headed back down to the water to fish some more. Chris ran off to the restroom and I'm enjoying some morning coffee. This has been a phenomenal trip and we still have a whole nother day. I'm so happy. So, yeah, it's it's nice. We have the whole campground to ourselves. It's ridiculous, but wonderful. I love the fact that we can do this in the middle of the week when it's not busy. And it is definitely not busy. I mean, we have, look at this. all this space and nobody's here. And then there's nobody there. The view is spectacular. The water is literally just right there and just, it's awesome. This is a perfect trip. We've had a few hiccups between dinner getting burnt, my finger getting burnt, which miracle burn cream, holy crap, thought I was gonna have a massive blister. Don't, thankfully. But yeah, it's so awesome. I'm so happy. I'm so glad we were able to go and do this. So yeah, I guess we'll see you guys later when we have something interesting to show you or we go somewhere. Bye. Love, what am I gonna do? It's around like so much. Told you it was light. Yeah, I'm totally stuck around that tree. Hold on. Oh, hey, look at this. I can totally grab it.
Yeah, if you can grab it and then not hook yourself and pull both the lure and
Yep.
you might be able to slip the tree.
Yep. Got it. Come on. What if I shoot the lure into the sky?
I don't know if that'll help.
Okay, well, what if I just do this? Take the fucking lure off and then just have it go through the tree.
Yeah, go for it. That's probably not a bad idea.
Got it.
Nice. I mean, worst case scenario, you lost the leader or the swivel.
Didn't.
Nice.
Not gonna lie, that was kind of terrifying having a lure in my mouth. Just saying. I'm a true fisherman now. I caught a tree and I had a hook in my face. Get stuck on something? Oh, jeez. Wow, that's hilarious. The trees are squeaking. This is so peaceful. Look at that sweet man. Just fishing. Enjoying the perfect weather we have right now. Working our way back to camp. Oh. This is quite the workout going against the water, holy hell. I feel like I'm not getting very far. My thighs are on fire. Oh, come here, rock. Whew. Oh, she's deep right here. Yep. Ah, can we see how deep the water is? I get to pass that tree. Smooth, Kata. Ew. Oh. Whoa! I made it. That's one way to do it.
Should we spray the griddle?
Sure. I thought we had. We do. Just way in the back. Like I thought we had rubber tongs. Get a bowl. Old dirt never killed anybody.
Nope.
Okay.
Getting potatoes on first.
Yeah, I just want to move the sausages into the bowl. I mean, this is going to be the majority of the burrito, right? So
Yeah.
Is that enough? Should I throw the rest on there? What do you think?
I think it's probably good.
Okay.
So we're doing breakfast burritos this morning.
Yeah.
Just got done fishing in the river for 45 minutes and time to make something to last us the rest of the day.
Yeah, because I'm hungry.
Surprisingly, I'm not yet, but that's right.
Ha 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 ha. Let's not do that.
I'll grab the hook.
Right? Oh, you know what'd be fun?
Passed off the bridge.
Got in here and floated down to our campsite.
Oh, yes. That would be fun.
Oh, but this is the one spot. Nathan, look at this spot over here and tell me this is not the coolest little daytime camp spot.
Yeah.
Isn't this cute? Like, there's no fire pit or anything, but you could literally, like, yeah. Like, I just thought this was the cutest little spot. And then even around here, there's more spots. It's just so nice. There's way too many big rocks to try and fish over here, though. But I just think it's cute.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why this park makes me so happy. Do you think right there is a good spot?
Debating on it, yeah. Hello, little frog. Oh, he's gone. Oh, Kata's out on a rock. Nathan's somewhere down yonder. Only brought one lure with me. Snagged it. Lost it. So, I'm done for now. That's all right.
Where'd you go? Hi, frog. Hi, guy. Can I go out there? Is that okay? Can I join you, sir?
Everywhere you turn, it's just a little bit different view. Lots of bugs, including little green guy. Almost stuck in my arms.
Oh, last time I went that way. Well, that was much easier. Oh, hi.
Sorry, but I'm missing rocks.
No, that's okay.
All snug.
No.
figure out how to get back.
Well, I mean, you can turn around.
No, keep going.
Went to open up the back of the truck to get the mosquito coils, and truck is dirty from these back country roads slash ATV trail we ended up taking, pretty sure. Yeah, she dirty.
Snacky time. Orange fingers.
Cheese touch.
Yep. Just some chips and off-brand jalapeno Cheetos. Waiting for the fire to keep going and trying to enjoy what moments we have without rain right now.
I'm having fun. I don't care. It's raining.
Yeah. It's just wet. Sat under that cover for a good hour and a half after we got back from our little drive. Neighbors finally arrived. Thankfully, they're quiet. Should step over this way so I can see them. There you go. Although they do have a side-by-side. So.
And a dog.
I'm very surprised. Well, I shouldn't be surprised. The guy has used the side-by-side to go to the bathroom twice now in the rain. It's probably 60 yards, 70 tops.
That's funny.
Did you even notice that?
No, I didn't. I thought he was just driving it to drive it around.
Nope. Stopped at the bathroom a couple times. What are you cooking?
Shrimp. And our cowboy butter
From our last video.
from our last trip for dipping. The shrimp has a lemon herb, like dry rub mix with some apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and garlic.
And then there's local pork wieners.
Yep.
Remember-
Cheese dogs.
Yep, with cheese. And I got a burger somewhere in the cooler yet.
Yep.
Still sprinkling out. Fire's going. Nathan's dry. Truck is dirty. Nice fun afternoon. A little bit of off-roading in two-wheel drive. All the stuff in the deck system is out of sorts. One of the drawers was stuck, so that's all right. I guess it's to be expected. Little cowboy butter. Nice cheeseburger.
I don't know how I ended up doing that, but we each get 9 shrimp.
Salt did not survive. There you go.
I mean, it's literally well, it started out as 2 sticks of butter.
Here comes the rain.
Shelter.
Yep. Taking shelter, attempting to keep my burner under that lid. Hopefully you guys can hear the thunder. Fire's still going at the moment.
God, it's really wet out there.
Just like this one.
Whatever.
Just remember that. For that dude in his side-by-side line.
Good question.
Right on.
Good.
Juicy burger, wet plate. Few dishes in the rain.
Yep. It got heavier.
Oh, heavy rain is expected in 16 minutes, followed by light rain.
Oh, there you go.
I might wait 16 minutes.
So in 20 minutes, you can go to your hammock.
A little later in this episode, because I know everybody's wondering what's going on with the rebuild. I'll fill you in later. So at this time, my Subaru, you could still kind of drive it. It was just like giving you trouble sometimes. Like we went back to Michigan, and that's when
Good morning.
Good morning. Woke up to more rain after it not raining since about 10, 11 last night. So, got the mosquito coils going again. It's quite buggy because it's a safe space for bugs apparently. So, just doing some coffee.
See you
On the
just
tailgate
fine.
for now.
I have some Big Hank steeped coffee bag, dark roast, with a hazelnut Mountain Ops. Oh God, where is it? Here we go.
It's not Mountain Ops.
It's not Mountain Ops, just kidding. Latte frappe mix, hazelnut. Not that hazelnut's my favorite, because it is by far my least favorite flavor of coffee, but you know, take what you can get. And I'm dry, so Chris is having Mountain Ops Hot Ignite Mountain Mocha. So, and we have some cinnamon muffins in the cooler. Calling our names. Ooh, wow, I am scary this morning. Hello, good morning. I slept real good. Not that it looks like it. It's okay. Yeah. It's so pretty. I don't even care that it's raining. It's so pretty. There's something magical about a wet forest. I don't know. I love it. I'm fishing for a little bit. Before it started raining really, really hard. Mosquitoes are relentless. The only thing that you could see is my hands and my face, and that's where they kept congregating, and that's just irritating. So the fishing was fun. I was having a lot of bites, but nothing stuck. So that's okay.
I was just wondering why my shorts were getting wet. Must have been wet from last night.
The chair I was using was pretty much dry until I sat in it with my jacket, which I expected, so.
Yeah.
Why is it raining harder?
I don't know.
It's not gonna stop.
It's not.
Oh wait, you wanted to use the water to rinse off the thingies. Never mind. Just kidding. I won't drain that completely.
You just throw the chair up on the bed?
Yep, I threw it all the way in the back. Up and out of the way. The case is dry, so
True.
not worried about it. Work.
What, we're gonna rinse off? Oh, my waders or something?
No, the
Steaks.
steaks.
Oh, we could still lift it up and put it on the table.
I don't want it anywhere on this end of the table. This end of the table's greasy.
Oh,
So put it on the seat maybe.
okay.
Trying to wrap it up really nice. Are we just rinsing it off on the outside of the Yeti or on the inside of the Yeti?
I figured the outside. I don't know.
Just snapping against the tree.
What are you doing? Take it off. Why are you getting, you got the string all dirty. God, what is wrong with
Glad
you?
the camera's recording that.
It is recording that. Ooh, damn, that's cold. That dirty shit in there. Nope. Don't like hands feeling gritty. God, I swear. Fern comes by it honestly. And, well, I would say you, but you didn't come from my body. I said, I think Fern comes by it honestly. And then I said you too, but you didn't technically come from my body. Sensory situations that give you the ick. I don't like my hands being wet and dirty. It wigs me out.
I hate having fucking wheel bearing grease all over my face, but I think that's a warm people. I don't think regular people enjoy having greasy hands.
Probably not.
You just gotta get.
This.
Yep.
Woo-hoo.
I almost fell right into that as it was draining.
I was gonna say, as soon as I let this go, it's all gonna drain. Whee.
So just throw that in the back, because when we get home, I want to stretch it out, dry it out.
Yep. It's fine. I just want to. Hey Nathan, do you ever have little scraps of leather that like you?
Always.
Okay.
Every time I make something, I have scraps.
Okay. The next time you're making something and you have scraps, I want to learn how to braid leather. I'm going to teach myself how to do it so that way I can teach you how to do it, because we're going to make something cool with braided leather.
I could probably learn how to do it in about 15 minutes.
Okay, well, I want to learn how to do it. I just think it'd be really cool.
How about on top or bottom?
We gotta, well, let's say we could try and, should we try and roll it? Or do you think we should, actually, we might be able to just cram
Shove it in
into-
there without. You're not even gonna use the Velcro strappies?
No.
Okay.
I mean, we're gonna take it down when we get home anyways.
True. Well, what if it's raining when we get home?
Well, then it'll have to wait.
Yep. I don't think it's raining at home, but it might be.
I have no idea. I don't know.
Probably will be when we get home.
Right?
We're gonna bring it with us.
Gonna follow us all the way there. Get out of there, mosquito.
All right, let my
Wipe
feet.
my shoes off.
Actually, I might wipe my feet off. Feel a little-
Wiping my boots off. I don't want them all dirty. Oh, you need to wipe your feet off.
I know. It's what.
Go rinse them off in the water over there.
Well, they'll dry out on the way home. I just want to get them.
Uncrusty?
Yep.
It's fair.
Like, I can deal with wet feet, but it's when there's sand.
I got you.
Scared the shit out of me.
He had a mosquito in his face, so I blew in his face.
Oh,
Made the mosquito go away.
Oh shit, my head's not.
Yeah,
The wax canvas one.
it works.
I know. I wax it again.
so many mosquito bites.
Your hair's so pretty when it's damp and the curls are actually curling and not like
My
full
hair is greasy.
Jesus afro.
Dirty.
Oh, that too. If you put curl stuff in your hair would be so pretty. I understand. I know you're not. I'm just saying.
Shit.
Your hair could look really nice since you have it long.
Shit.
I know you don't care.
Not attracting anyone.
I know.
All right, I think we're good.
Because I don't feel like cutting it.
It's fair. All right, that's all she wrote. We took everything we brought. Leave no trace. Woohoo. What is in my pocket? Oh, microphone things and my phone. All right.
Here, hold on that.
Oh, you gotta close.
Yeah, if we're going on the highway, I'm not going with just one.
Oh yeah.
The other one I'd latched all three.
Okay.
So. Bye.